How to redeem Fortnite card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you have a Fortnite V-Bucks, in this video I will show you how you can redeem it. The first step is to open up any web browser and head over to fortnite.com. Then sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, you want to click on the profile icon and select the option of V-Bucks card. Once you select this option, another page is going to open up. Here it says an Epic Games account is required to redeem a V-Bucks card code. If you have played Fortnite, you already have an Epic Games account. Now you want to click on the Get Started option to find your Epic Games account and redeem your V-Bucks card. Over here, you will have to enter your code or PIN. If you do not know where to find it, then the code PIN you need is located on the back of the card under a scratch-off security covering. Once you enter the code, you want to click on the Next option. Once you click on Next, you want to select the device where you want to play Fortnite. Then click on the Next option. Now, you will have to review the details and click Confirm if the Epic account, device, and new balance are all correct. Now, open Fortnite on your preferred device system to view and spend your V-Bucks. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.